what I'm on right now, man. Tsunami cream. NuWave, man. Looking like that whip. That A1 whip, man. Good whip. Yeah, you can smell that shea butter. You got a shea butter, cocoa butter, keratin protein, castor oil, jojoba oil, aloe vera, vitamin E oil, avocado oil, peppermint oil, tea tree oil, almond oil. Got all that. And I already put the hot towel in my head. So now I'm about to need about that much on the fresh cut, man. Just about that much. You don't need a lot. You don't need a lot. Show you. That white glaze. Like a Thanksgiving ham. Well, I don't eat ham, but you know what I'm saying? It's glazed, man. It's glossy, man. You just rub it all in. You're gonna be locked in, man. Yeah, I see it doing something already. Try to get as much product as you can off your hand so your brush don't be slippery and slick, sliding away from you when you, of course, I got brush in the black box with me. Take my old plastic off. What's he doing? But I'm gonna go in a little bit more, then I'm gonna rag up. Over with. I done start sweating in here, man. But now, get that plastic glove, man. You know, just to lay everything down. You know, y'all know about that. That's just to lay everything that you brushed down, so you don't really lose no progress, man. I ain't gonna say lose, so you don't lose progress. I'm gonna say, so, you know, you could lay down what that brush didn't, or seem to couldn't do. What I like to do is, I'm gonna go double compress right now, man. NuWave do-rag. It's that pink bubblegum, man. It was a random, do-rag they sent me in that black box. It's pink. I'm gonna ride with it, man. I like to get my old spandex cap, to add another layer of, compression to it. Pull it all the way down, fold it about twice. It don't be too tight because it's kind of stretched out. It's a little loose, so by me rolling it, it's gonna get tighter, but not too tight though, like I say. Also, that spandex cap, it prevents the line from being on your head and on the back of your neck. There you go. Pull the do-rag down a little bit. Flip it up some. There you go. Open it up. Wide up. Same thing. Compress it back. Keep the train. On your spandex cap, man. Put it down here. Tighten it up. Bring it down. Press it down. Grab the spandex, man. Put it down. Now you just tight it. Behind the spandex. There you have it. Yeah.